Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to fly the Power Prop Flying Glider Spitfire MK1. We'll open it and put it together, see how it flies. This is a rather small plane, so I suspect it's not going to be very good to fly outside. Here's all your pieces: body, wing, elevator, nose piece. Let's build it. Punch out for the wing right here. There we are, it's coming out. There we go. Now the wing looks like this is the front. Doesn't look like it'll go either way, so we'll slip it in right to the middle, right there. And you don't have any adjustment forward and backward on this one. Here's your elevator. Punch out for it too. I don't like the angle of this on the elevator. It's going to make the thing climb and stall. There's your nose piece. Fits on the front right here. Like that. Here is your propeller. Take it apart. Take this little piece off. This is what holds it on. And we'll cut it off. There we go. Alright, slip it through here. And it slips into the nose piece. Right here. Doesn't go in very easy, but there we go. Now it spins. I guess as it flies, it spins. There's your plane. It's ready to fly. Not much to it. It's small. Okay, here's the way the propeller works. When it wind blows it, it's going to spin as it flies. See here? Let's give it a few flights indoors, see what we can do here. See it stall? We're going to make some cuts in it right here and adjust this elevator down. Try to stop it from climbing and stalling. Now bend them down. There you go. See how they're down like that? That'll help a lot. Make it fly straight. Well, it made it a lot better flying. Still climbs a little, but it's better. There we go. Outside. Now, the wind's going to give this a fit. There it goes. Not much of an outside flyer with any wind. We got more of these coming, so please like and subscribe and stay with us.